yourself.
Yeah, why not?
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, coming up.
No time like the present.
Yeah, so I was going to do that. Do you have one here? Yeah. How much flight time you have on your batteries?
Oh, it could probably go for like 20 minutes. But
Really?
yeah.
You're doing good.
But we usually fly off first.
When it gets busy out here, just let the elevator server flight bosses out here know we'll try and accommodate you to get down on the ground without too much delay.
Are we doing a left-hand turn today?
Let's see.
It's regular pattern, the only turn to the right.
Right.
Turn to the right, okay.
Racetrack.
Why not?
That'll work.
It's got B1RDs down there on the crosswind.
Yeah.
They will mess up an airplane if you clip one. I've seen them chase your airplane.
I just
He's got scale planes. And he's going to cannibalize the server.
Remember when Denny was flying and he pushed that bird?
Yeah, chased him.
The bird chased him and tried to pick his monocle off.
Oh, yeah.
We are.
Come on.
I already told you.
How about my Angry Bird? I'll show you the 2,000%
See
scale.
that flat area over there? You can fly around Jones trailer. We'll let you fly a boat. Special shot. Okay, well, Jim, we're going to put the guy that owns the field. He gets to do anything he freaking wants. So let him fly a jet wire.
I've got to fly it.
Time show, right?
Angry Bird A.
And the Angry Bird, simultaneous. We'll see
One-
how good
one
he
hand
is.
with one plane, one in the other.
Fly,
I'm off to the races.
fly in if we come to present.
Classic 737.
That would be about right.
That's what he said yesterday. Actually, that's a 500 too. Isn't that a stretch 737? Okay, so that's not even classic. They didn't even allow those things to fly for years.
They bring the soldiers
It's like
back.
brand new.
They're okay now.
It's like brand new.
Okay now. Hey, they bring the soldiers back from over Saudi Arabia and all that.
You guys want to back fire today?
You don't have to as long as we're good. You know, when we get fired or something.
It's probably a good idea.
Well, it's always a good idea.
Yeah, it looks like a Pitts, but it's not. It don't fly like one, that's for sure.
Mr. Smith's plane.
Yes, it is. Look,
Hammerhead.
Since we got another guy coming on, fly the pattern, which is the other direction.
Oh, yours go this way.
Yeah.
Which
Right,
way?
right,
Counterclockwise?
Well, the way you take off is the pattern.
Oh, you want clockwise?
Go clockwise.
Okay. Yeah, the other guy told me counterclockwise.
Well, there you go.
No, never. You always have the pattern the way you take off.
He was confused.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Should I give it a bash?
You can go.
Yeah, you're right.
Coming out, guys.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Especially on takeoff. Alright. Got a bird off the end of the runway here.
Looking out, the wind's right down there.
Okay, after he takes off.
Okay.
Thank you.
You clear.
All right, landing.
You got her, partner. You look like a Saturday morning takeoff.
Great fire.
Oh, nice.
Plane did not cooperate.
Well done, sir. Well done.
If we face the fence, we're allowed to start changing down there.
Yeah, if you start
All right.
you face the fence, but you can't push them down.
And we were
You're
just
running
with
it up.
Ken and
No
the
problem.
Smith
Yeah.
Miniplane.
It's like an old job. There's no hook down there.
Good job, Ken. Good job. The Smith Miniplane. Look at that. Scratch build. Hey, how big's a wingspan?
52.
You said 52?
52 inches.
6?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Great job.
Thank you.
Great job. All right. We're at the Orange County Model Aviators Warbirds and Classics, and the pits are starting to kind of fill up, slowly but surely. But yeah, we're in beautiful Irvine, California. So there you go. There you have it. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to see what's going on. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And more to come from the Southern California Scale Warbirds.